In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Wi-Fi missing from settings Windows 11. If your Wi-Fi option disappeared from settings or quick settings on Windows 11, don't worry. We're going to refresh the system service that controls Wi-Fi and then make sure your wireless driver is up to date. This is safe to do and often brings the Wi-Fi toggle right back. Start by opening the Run dialog. Click the search icon on your taskbar, type Run and open it. In the Run box, type services.msc, then press Enter. This opens the Services window, which lists background processes Windows relies on. Scroll until you find a service called WLAN Auto Config. This service manages wireless connections and the list of Wi-Fi networks. Right-click WLAN Auto Config and choose Stop. Give it a moment to fully stop. The status should clear. Now right-click it again and choose Start. This quick stop and start cycle refreshes the service. If it takes a few seconds, that's normal. When it's running again, close the Services window. Next, we'll check your wireless adapter driver. Click Search again and type Device Manager, then open it. In Device Manager, expand Network Adapters. Look for your wireless card. It usually has Wi-Fi, wireless, or a brand name like Intel or Realtek in its title. Click your wireless adapter to select it, then choose Update Driver. In the prompt that appears, select the option to search for available drivers. Windows will look locally and online for a newer or more appropriate driver. If it finds one, let it install. If you get a message saying the best drivers are already installed, that's okay. The check still helps confirm everything's in place. When the driver check finishes, close the update window and then close Device Manager. To apply all changes, restart your PC. A restart clears cached states and lets Windows reload the Wi-Fi service and driver cleanly. After the reboot, open Settings or the Quick Settings panel and you should see the Wi-Fi, switch and available networks again. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Make sure you're using the built-in tools exactly as shown. Run for services and Device Manager for drivers. Also, give each step a few moments to complete before moving on, especially when stopping and starting the WLAN Auto Config service or when Windows is checking for drivers. That's it. By refreshing the WLAN Auto Config service, updating the wireless adapter driver and restarting, you've addressed the most common causes of Wi-Fi missing from settings in Windows 11. If the toggle is still missing after these steps, further troubleshooting may be needed, but for most systems, this resolves the issue.